of the spiral honeycombs built by tropical stingless bees. Bees from the genus Tetragonula construct intricate structures from hexagonal beeswax cells, which can reach up to 20 levels high. But how do these diligent bees create such intricate structures without any blueprints? It turns out they are mathematical geniuses, and their building prowess can be explained by a fascinating connection to crystals. A recent study revealed that the same mathematical model governing crystal growth also governs the formation of these awe-inspiring hives. Each little worker bee unwittingly follows a set of simple rules, transforming the hive into an artistic masterpiece. Like skilled engineers, they utilize hexagonal building blocks, the most efficient use of wax, to fit snugly together. Computer modeling showed that these bees' natural instincts mimic the same patterns they create in nature. Curiously, the spiral pattern can also be found in mother-of-pearl mollusks, pointing to an unexpected similarity in nature's design. The bees' exquisite architectural abilities may be rooted in their genetic code, shaping their unique hive patterns among the 31 species of Tetragonula bees found in Oceania. While the precise purpose of the spiral shape remains unknown, speculations range from improved airflow in the hive to assisting the queen bee in navigating her domain.